In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a letterhead template in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a fresh canvas by selecting Blank Document. This gives you a clean page to build your letterhead without any pre-applied formatting getting in the way. Next, open the header area, which is where your letterhead lives, so it can repeat on every page if you want. The quickest way is to double-click at the very top of the page. You'll see the header boundary appear. You can also get there through the menu by going to Insert, then Header, and choosing Blank. By default, anything in the header appears on all pages. If you only want it on the first page later, you can adjust that setting, but for now, let's set up the design. Now let's bring in your logo or image. Go to Insert, choose Pictures, and select the logo file from your computer. Once it's on the page, click the image to open the Picture Format tab. Under Wrap Text, pick In Front of Text or Tight. These options let you move the logo freely without it jumping around. Drag it into position, top left, centered, or wherever suits your brand. Use the corner handles to resize, and try holding Shift while dragging to maintain the image's proportions. Aim for a crisp, high-resolution logo and leave comfortable margins so it prints cleanly. With the logo placed, click inside the header area to add your details. Type your name or company name, then your address, contact number, email, and an optional website. You can put each item on a separate line for a formal look, or combine them with separators for a compact style. Highlight the text and use the Home tab to adjust font size, apply bold for emphasis, and choose colors that match your brand. Align the text left, center, or right to balance with your logo. If you want a tidy layout, consider using tabs so everything lines up neatly. When your letterhead looks the way you want, save it as a reusable template. Go to File, then Save As. From the file type options, choose Word Template with the .txt extension. Give it a clear name like My Letterhead Template and save. From now on, you can open this template and start a new document based on it, keeping your letterhead intact while your day-to-day letters are saved as regular docx files. That's it. You've created a professional letterhead you can use anytime.